Hello and welcome back, beautiful people, into another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create text to text graphic, or you can style your text and use it in your thumbnail. In the last video I'm going to show you how you can create thumbnail with AI, but in this video I'm going to add some text in our thumbnail. So I'm going to show you the three websites. The last one is awesome website. You can easily generate your text to text graphic, or you can create stylish text for your YouTube thumbnail. So I'm going to open the first website. In here it's called the textgraph.net. So in this website you can easily create your text to text style or text graphic for your YouTube video thumbnail. So I'm going to create my text style from here. You can see there are many font is available. You can select any of this font, or you can scroll down a little bit. You can also select this font style. If I select this style, after select this style, you can also change color from here. There are many colors available, white, black, or many color you can see from here. You can also change this color. There are many color and style available. So I'm going to select this one. After this, we need to write our text. You can also select this font from here. Here you need to put 2 line, or you can also put 3 line text. Here you need to put 2 line. So I'm going to put first line, then I'm going to put second line. Now you can see our text style is ready. We can download and we can also use it in our thumbnail. If you click on download, you can easily download your text style. It's download in PNG format. If I click on open, now this picture is download in PNG format. Now I'm going to show you the second website. The second website name is cooltext.com. Here you can search, or you can select any of these font you like. So I'm going to select this font, and after that I'm going to put my text. I'm going to delete this. So you can see my text style from here, complete YouTube Masters course for beginners. Then I'm going to click on create logo. After that I'm going to download this. Now it's also download in PNG. Now I'm going to show you the third and best website. I personally prefer and use this website. Now I'm going to close this website. It's called the textstudio.com. In this website you can see there are many modern fonts available. If you see this icon, it's actually premium, but if you don't see this icon in the right side, it means it's free. We can use this text and we can use this text and we can make text graphics or text style. There are many options available. So I'm going to choose this one. After that we need to put our text in the text area. You can see I put my text, and after that it's created text style. It's created text graphics from our text. You can also zoom this, or you can add character spacing, or you can also increase or decrease line height. After that I'm going to in style. There are many more options available, length, orientation, but I'm happy with my default option. You can also add icon. So I'm going to add one icon in here. So you can increase your icon size. You can change this visibility from here, in front or behind the text. If I click on behind the text, now this time I can send this icon in behind. So in this way you can also add icon. Now if we go to background, you can also select background. But for my thumbnail I need transparent background, so I'm going to select this. And if you want to create animation, then you can create animation from this. But we need a plain graphics for our thumbnail. Now I'm going to download this. You can also download as PNG or PNG transparent PDF. So I'm going to download in PNG transparent. If you want to download in high or max quality, then you need to purchase membership. But I'm happy with free quality. Now I'm going to download this text style. Now it's download in PNG format. Now I'm going to show you how you can add this text style in your thumbnail. I already opened my thumbnail in Photoshop, and now I'm going to add this file in my thumbnail. So this is our first website result, and this is second, and this is third. So I'm going to add the first one in my thumbnail. I'm going to add second. Now I'm going to add the third one. So you can choose which text style is best for you. So in this way, you can add text style or text graphic in your thumbnail. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you learned something new, please subscribe this channel and like this video. See you guys in next video.